Still working a job that makes you dead behind the eyes, but not building your way out? That's like complaining about your prison cell while you're holding the keys. Look, this might be an uncomfortable video for you, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it, but I am here to help you escape your job before everyone decides to circle back on something you already solved 2 weeks ago. My name is BBenediktsson. I'm a venture advisor, mentor, and online entrepreneur, and I am here to help you turn your creative skills into digital products that you can sell to give you diversified revenue streams and the freedom to pick the projects that you work on so that you don't have to work a soul-crushing job for the rest of your life. But my advice might be a little counterintuitive for you today, because I'm here to tell you to not quit your job. The thing is, if you don't have a business yet or don't have any clients, then that job is what you need right now, because it is your exit strategy. It's not just a paycheck you get every week that you spend on rent and ramen or whatever. It's something that you can actively use to build a business faster than people that are hustling it online, who quit their jobs way too early, jumped into the deep end, and are currently not able to swim. Those people might actually be thinking that it's not actually worth it out here. It's not doable to create an online business that works for you. But the thing is, it very much is. You just have to be smart about it. And if you currently have a job that is paying you, you can use some of that money to build your online business and create digital products that pay you to quit your job. Even a little leftover cash from that paycheck can bankroll your ads, your gear, coaching to help you out, whatever you need to get started with your digital products, because without it, it's simply much harder to get started. I started off as a broke college student in Spain, living with cockroaches in a basement apartment. I didn't have a lot of money, but I did have time and grit and the need to prove that I could do something online without selling my soul or saying yes to the next job that I got offered. But you can bypass a lot of those mistakes and take these shortcuts to build your business even faster. And so here's what I would do if I was starting again today and I had a job. I would spend less time on creating content and hoping that it got traction. I would spend less time on creating products that didn't go anywhere, and I would spend less time trying to do it all myself. Instead, I'd spend money on ads to reach more people faster, to get my offer in front of more people so that I can test out ideas faster and get results quicker. I'd create stronger offers than just a $7 ebook like I did at the beginning. I started off writing a lot of content, and that content became books that I then sold. It's very difficult to sell books online at scale, and you need to sell a lot of $7 ebooks in order to make the income back from a job. So I would do something much differently these days. I would sell a more compelling offer at a higher price point, and then I would systemize the whole process and hire help to automate all of these things so that I could sell my offer on autopilot online. And how you can do that while you're still working that job is coming up with a real offer of something people want, not just something you think is a good idea. You're actually going to be able to ask customers and get your offer in front of people to see if it works without feeling like you're bankrupt all the time. And then you'll need a way to attract leads, either with a funnel, a lead magnet, or pieces of content. If you really want to go that route, it is faster to create an offer and make one piece of content that goes far than to create multiple pieces of content and not focus too much on the offer. But some people love building an audience, and some people love becoming thought leaders, and if that's you, that's fine. But having a solid offer is always going to be the core mechanic in your automated sales system. And then you'll need a follow-up system of some sort. An email marketing system is usually what this is. That's where you follow up with leads and potential customers, and that's where you put your offer in front of them and convert some of those leads into paying customers. Slowly but surely, earning enough income for you to think twice about going back to work. Nail this flow, and guess what? You're not chasing clients anymore. You're not going to work every day at a job you hate. You are getting clients to come to you. You're getting people to sign up to your email list, and you're getting people to pay for your digital products. Take it from me as someone who has been selling digital products for 15 years now. There's no better feeling than turning your skills into digital products that people buy, who then go on and get results and tell you about them. I don't know how many times I've gotten emails from musicians and producers that have used my books and courses to finally gain the confidence to release their music. So it's not just about saying bye to your bullshit job and finding the freedom to create these products that you love. It's also about finding the people that you can truly help and seeing what they come up with and what they do with that knowledge that you're passing on. It's truly rewarding to get those emails and see that stuff happening just because you decided to put your skills into products that people want. And it's something that I hope you take to heart and try out as well. Now, there is a hard part to this, and those who fail usually skip this part. So make sure you pay attention, because this is the most important part when it comes to creating digital products that sell, and it is understanding who your customer is. This is where most people wipe out. They have no idea what they're doing because they don't know who they're helping, what problems they're solving, or why anyone should care about their products. They haven't done the necessary market research to truly understand who their target audience is. Because if your ideal customer is just everybody or someone with money, then you've already lost. You're not specific enough. You're so vague, nobody's gonna pay attention to you. But when you figure that out, you will notice that your lead magnet starts getting subscribers, your products start selling, you'll start getting emails from people who love your content and want to hire you. These are all things that have happened to me in the 15 years I've run Audio Issues, and if some random somebody from Iceland can do it, so can you. So don't quit your job tomorrow, don't ghost your boss or rage email all of your colleagues. Use your job and your paycheck as an investment fund to hatch your escape plan. Experiment on the side, build something cool that you think people will want, run a few ads, see how the market reacts to it, test your offer in front of a targeted audience, and start making progress on your digital product business. And once the sales start trickling in from your digital product, that's when you should take a real long, hard look at the job that you're still working and start figuring out when the best time to quit is. All right, if that gave you some inspiration on how to start your escape, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and click that notification button so you don't miss another video on digital products and online business. I'm BBenediktsson. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.